Settling the dues, understanding English idioms. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, settle the dues. This is a common idiom in English that you might encounter in everyday conversations, movies, or books. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in and unpack the meaning and usage of settle the dues. Settle the dues is an idiom that means paying off what is owed. This can be in terms of money, obligations, or even moral responsibilities. The word settle here implies resolving or concluding an outstanding issue, while dues refer to the owed obligations or debts. It's a phrase often used in both formal and informal contexts. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. After receiving her paycheck, she was able to settle her dues with the credit card company. The company must settle its dues to continue operating smoothly. He finally settled his dues with his friend, returning the book he had borrowed months ago. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different scenarios, emphasizing its versatility. The phrase, settle the dues, has its roots in financial and legal terminology. It's been used for centuries in contexts where clearing debts or obligations was essential. Understanding its origin helps us appreciate the formal and serious connotations it carries. There are other phrases and words in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, pay off debts, clear obligations, fulfill responsibilities, square up. Knowing these synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the same idea. That's all about settle the dues. We hope this video has helped clarify this common English idiom for you. Remember, mastering idioms can significantly enhance your fluency and understanding of the language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.